Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShopGuy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 Makita tools. If there's anyone you can trust in creating the best tools for your renovation projects, it's guaranteed to be our fellow creators since they know the materials that we need to give durability and longevity to our projects. This is one of the biggest advantages of Makita. Started off as a repair outlet and electric motor shop, the brand works its way to the top by manufacturing more of the world-class tools on the market. From clean designs to innovative outlines and strong frames, you can always trust that Makita's tools will last no matter the project. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you our team's top 10 takes from the brand. The team at TrustedShopGuy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the Makita tools that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShopGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first Makita tool on our list is the Makita Lithium Ion Cordless Multi-Tool. With a small diameter barrel grip of only 2 inches, the Makita Lithium Ion Cordless Multi-Tool promotes easy handling that's both beginner-friendly and professional trustworthy. This unit is compatible with 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with a star symbol, which are sold separately. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Makita Lithium Ion Cordless Multi-Tool a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Variable speed control dial. The variable speed dial has a 6,000 to 20,000 optical power meter that allows the user to match the speed of the device to the surface of the application. 3.2 oscillation angle. With an oscillation angle of 3.2 degrees, this design helps you to have a quicker, more intense cutting and sanding process. Convenient switch. For the operator's convenience, this unit has a large on and off slide switch with a lock-on button so that it won't suddenly turn on. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the motor is not brushless. The second Makita tool in our list is the Makita Lithium Ion Brushless Cordless High Torque. At only 9 inch long, the Makita Lithium Ion Brushless Cordless High Torque enters a list to flex its compact and ergonomic design. This product has a brushless motor to get rid of carbon brushes, helping the whole unit run cooler and more efficiently for a longer time. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Makita Lithium Ion Brushless Cordless High Torque a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. BL Brushless Motor. This device has a BL brushless motor that can provide up to 740 foot-pounds of torque and 1,180 foot-pounds of fastening torque for nut busting. 3-speed power selection switch. With a 3-speed power selection switch, you're getting a 0 to 900, 0 to 1000, and 0 to 1800 revolutions per minute, and 0 to 1800, 0 to 2000, and 0 to 2200 interior permanent magnet for precise operations in multiple applications. 0.5-inch anvil. This unit has a socket-changing anvil with a friction ring for quick and easy quick changing. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the tool is quite heavy to carry with one hand. The third Makita tool in our list is the Makita Lithium Ion Cordless Jigsaw Kit. Aiming into that convenience roulette, the Makita Lithium Ion Cordless Jigsaw Kit has a large 2-finger variable speed trigger. It also has a precision machined heavy gauge base for smooth, accurate cutting and added durability. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Makita Lithium Ion Cordless Jigsaw Kit a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Variable speed motor. This device is specifically crafted by Makita to have an extensive and variable speed motor with a range of 0 to 2600 surface permanent magnetic, allowing for swifter and more effective cutting. 3 orbital settings. With 3 orbital settings that work in tandem with the straight cutting function, you have a manifold of projects that you can accomplish with this tool. Fast blade installation. This model has a toolless blade change system that speeds up blade installation and removal in order to boost productivity. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is its perfect cutting angle is 45 degrees. Other cutting angles might be harder to perfect. The fourth Makita tool in our list is the Makita Polisher. You can now stop worrying about accidentally breaking delicate surfaces now that the Makita Polisher created a gear housing and rubberized loop handle that offers maximum comfort and control. It also has a wire mesh intake cover to keep wool fibers out of the engine while you're working. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Makita Polisher a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Multiple speed dial. The multiple speed dials and trigger of this device allow the user to tailor the right speed to the surface. Constant speed settings. The device has constant speed control and maintains constant speed under load, so you won't have to worry about your tool suddenly slowing down with different densities. Soft start. The device begins with a soft operation, so you can have a smooth startup and less fling off on polishes, waxes, and pastes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's quite bulky to carry around. The fifth Makita tool in our list is the Makita Lithium-ion Cordless Recipro socket. The Makita Lithium-ion Cordless Recipro socket is powered by the fastest charging 18-volt lithium-ion batteries in the industry, allowing creators to stay on one battery outlet and use the same fast-charging 18-volt batteries that you may already have if you have a lot of Makita in your tool belt. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Lithium-ion Cordless Recipro socket a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Makita built a variable speed motor. For faster cutting, Makita crafted a variable speed motor that delivers 0 to 2,800 strokes per minute in a 1 to 1/4 inch stroke length. Toolless blade exchange. You can boost your performance with the toolless blade change system, speeds up blade installation and removal. Refined crank mechanism. This device has a refined crank mechanism design that minimizes bevel deformation and vibration so you won't create unnecessary curves. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, you're going to need 2 of those 18-volt batteries. The sixth Makita tool in our list is the Makita Lithium-ion Cordless Planer. For precise depth adjustment, the Makita Lithium-ion Cordless Planer has a click depth adjustment knob with an easy-to-read scale with settings ranging from 0 to 0.08 inches. On top of that, the precision-machined aluminum base is specifically designed for increased planning accuracy based on your blueprint. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Lithium-ion Cordless Planer a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 1 pass efficient. This device can plane up to 3 1/4 inch wide and 0.08 inch deep in a single pass only, making it a reliable tool for fast workers. 2-blade cutter head. With the 2-blade cutter head and double-edged carbide blades, you can achieve superior productivity and a smooth finish easier. Quick stock removal. This device includes a motor that rotates at up to 14,000 revolutions per minute and is designed for the swift removal of stocks. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the width makes it a bit harder to get to the sides. The seventh Makita tool in our list is the Makita Brushless Cordless Impact Driver. Featuring Extreme Protection Technology or XPT, the Makita Brushless Cordless Impact Driver is built to provide increased dust and water resistance. The full frame is also protected by an all-metal gear housing, and it has a convenient 1-touch 1/4 hex chuck for effortless bit changes. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Brushless Cordless Impact Driver a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Quick Shift Mode Collector. This unit has an automatic electronic controller in the Quick Shift Mode selector, so you can press downshift to reduce rotation and impact speed before driving the screw into its place. Tightening Mode. The tightening or T-mode can rapidly clamp the self-drilling screws and aid in the prevention of screw or workpiece damage. 3-speed power selection. You can have a more accurate fastening control with 0 to 1,100, 0 to 2,100, and 0 to 3,600 revolutions per minute, and 0 to 1,100, 0 to 2,600, 0 to 3,800 interior permanent magnet. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it might take some time to get used to the settings. The eighth Makita tool on our list is the Makita Top Handle Chain Socket. Giving you high power efficiency, the Makita Top Handle Chain Socket provides a Makita-built outer rotor and a BL brushless motor direct drive system that ensures power efficiency. This tool is guaranteed to be the answer to your prayers if you're looking for a solution for cutting and trimming chunky materials. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Top Handle Chain Socket a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. High chain speed. To improve cutting performance, this device has a high chain speed that ranges from 0 to 4,720 feet per minute. Torque boost mode. You don't have to worry about working with dense material since this tool has a torque boost mode that's outstanding in cutting thick materials accurately. Captured bar nut. This device has a bar nut capture and lateral chain tensioning for effortless operation and maintenance. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, this device has a pretty loud operation. The ninth Makita tool in our list is the Makita Lithium-ion Brushless Cordless Blower. Steering clear of heavy-duty crafting materials, the Makita Lithium-ion Brushless Cordless Blower is a trustworthy product for cleanup drives in your backyard. This device has no carbon brushes, and it moves cooler and more efficiently for longer life, delivering speeds for up to 116 meters per hour, air velocity, and a full 459 cubic feet per minute. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Lithium-ion Brushless Cordless Blower a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: cruise control lever. With different speed triggers that you can access via the cruise control lever, this tool provides an exemplary power and runtime management. Speed lock. This unit has a speed lock which gives you continuous operation without having to continuously restart the settings. Inline fan. For better balance within the tool, this device has an inline fan which will give you improved ergonomics and even weight. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, some users have reported that batteries tend to last for around 2 to 3 hours of operation only. The 10th Makita tool on our list is the Makita Hedge trimmer. If you're looking for more cleaning tools, the Makita Hedge trimmer has got your back. This device has 5 cushions with anti-vibration structure to help you perfect your cutting and trimming responsibilities. It also has its own indicator light so you can take the guesswork out of your process. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Hedge trimmer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: dual action blade. This device is a 22-inch dual-action, double-sided shear blade to give you a more precise cut in a shorter time. Two-handed operation blade. With this tool, you will get a two-handed operation blade that'll switch on when either of the top handles is engaged. Ergonomic design. This tool has a rubberized soft grip design as its comfort feature, but it also has a quick blade change for more convenience without disassembling the housing. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's much more on the heavier side for a trimmer. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 Makita tools which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next Makita tool roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.